Yeah, I thought they was on top for most of the game. I've got to say, there's no point in saying they weren't. I don't think, say disappointed with the first 2 goals. That's one hell of a free kick. Sometimes you can't do anything about that. But maybe the second and third, certainly the second, which changed the game completely. We can't concede goals like that. That was too easy.
And Jennings's goal at the end, too little, too late.
Well, we had, Wes again has had a chance to put us 3-2 and give us a good maybe 10, 12 minutes to go and get another one. We very nearly got one at the end if it had just dropped for us after Connor had scored. But yeah, too little, too late with that one. But we had 2 or 3 good chances to get back into it, even at 3-1 a little bit earlier. We were a little bit, well, not a little bit open. We were really open, gambling, trying to get back into it. They could have gone 4-1 up. We went 3-2, and then had a bit of an half chance at the end there, but we're clutching at straws. We were second best today, and that's simple as that.
I guess the only good thing now is you don't have long to mull over this defeat. It's Tranmere at home on Tuesday.
Yeah.
Looking for reaction, character?
Yeah, well, absolutely from everybody. That's got to happen. That's got to happen. We've lost 2 games, and I don't like losing 1 game, let alone 2 games. And we started, got ourselves a few results, got ourselves into the top 5. I presume we're out of that top 5 now, so we've got to work hard to get back into it.